Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Abhi's Beauty Hack. It's Abhi here. In today's video, we are going to see a complete review about Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer cum Sunscreen. So this is the 120 ml package of the Peach Milk Moisturizer and Sunscreen. It costs around 250 rupees in Indian money. So this is one of the famous and fast moving brands and products as well. So this is, as I told, as the name itself says, this is both moisturizer cum sunscreen. So this also has the normal moisturizer in it that will also really work wonders. So now as per our video, we'll review about both the moisturizer cum sunscreen. So this contains SPF of about 24 and it suits all skin types. So SPF 24 is more than enough for people who live in South India. So since particularly I live in Chennai, this particular SPF is more than enough for our climate. And as per the moisturizer, it does its part really well as a moisturizer. It is quite light onto your skin so that even the most sensitive skin and can bear it. So the product says that it has a broad spectrum UV protection which helps to even out your skin tone, and the milk and peach moisturizes your skin and leaving your skin soft glowing look. So the product is a chemical based product, and of course it has parabens in it. Parabens are the unhealthy chemical ingredients which in the long run when you use it spoils your skin. So the product actually contains that, but apart from the little disadvantages the product has got, the product has a really good reputation in the market, and that is the reason why I purchased this. So this comes in a cute open close lid type bottle packaging. The texture and fragrance we will see. So this is the texture. As you can see, it is not so thick and not so runny as well. It slides easily onto your skin and you can apply it so easily, and this product gives a complete coverage to your skin and not clogging your pores as well. And at the same time, the sun protection factor, it ensures that your skin is also protected from the harmful rays of the sun and get moisturized at the same time. So this product is suitable for regular, that is the daily use, and you can use it as a moisturizer and sunscreen as well. So you can see the difference. It moisturizes your skin as well as leaves a good dewy look to your skin. It gives a good glow to your skin. So that is what I wanted to say. It does not at all feel heavy on your skin. But if you have the extreme oily skin, no, at that particular skin types, you may feel that your skin is a bit heavy. Not so much. The product actually moisturizes your skin and protects your skin from harmful rays, at the same time not clogging your pores. So for my skin, I have this dry skin type, so I am the dry skin type person, and for my skin I feel that the product leaves a good glow to my skin and protecting from sun. So for normal skin type also you will feel the same thing, whereas the extraordinary oily people and combination skin, no, you will have to use only little bit of the product and you will go a long way with that, because you cannot use more onto your skin because it may leave your skin a bit oily. So you may feel that your skin is more oily because you yourself possess that oily skin nature within you. The usage of the product may lead to that kind of look. This is quite affordable because 120 ml at 250 rupees is quite affordable. And the brand, as Lakme is one of the major international brands, and this is one of the good moisturizer cum sunscreen from them. So during this winter, so it's winter heading, and if you are searching for a good moisturizer for dull skin, for normal skin, and for dry skin, I would recommend this moisturizer because it also contains SPF. That is one added advantage. Next is it is within the budget. Next advantage comes for the price. And finally, the glow which it gives. This is the winter is the time where you go in search of more sheet masks and serums. So this product, I guess it will reduce your purchase for the serums and sheet masks, so it gives a good moisture to your skin for a longer period of time. So that way I would recommend this product to the above mentioned skin types. For oily skin type particularly, I have given a video on plum moisturizer. Kindly go check that video. Anyways, I'll leave the I'll give a card and leave the link down in the description so that you can go see it if you have that oily skin type. And yeah, I think I have told whatever I know about the product, and if you have any queries regarding the product, you can comment it down. I would feel happy to reply you. Yeah, I think we'll end the video by now. We'll all meet you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Abhi. Tata.